peanut butter cookies. Churn the butter, egg, sugar, and peanut butter with blender. Add the flour, the baking soda and vanilla to the mixture. Make small balls from the mixture. Put the balls on the oven pan and bake them for 10 minutes. Put a piece of the chocolate in the middle of the cookies until they are hot.